is Saina. I come from Kenya, Eldoret. I've been doing mission work since the year 1993, and I've been reaching those who have not been reached, especially in Kenya. In Kenya, there are places that people have not been reached, they do not know about Jesus Christ, and this is the place that we have been working with in the church. This time around, God has sent us to Norway so that we can have fellowship with the Norwegian people and the churches, so that we can pray for Norway, that God will restore Norway again to His glory. So we have been going around Norway into churches, raising up prayers so that God will restore Norway again back to God. So my message today is just to say God is faithful and God will raise. When God has spoken and said that He will raise, I just urge the people of Norway and the churches that have received this word that we can join hands together so that we can pray and God will raise Norway because He has a purpose for this nation. This nation has been a mission nation, reaching other people in the world. Us back in Africa, we received God's word because of these people. And it is time that now that God is sending us back so that we can come together with the churches so that they will also receive the word again. Because we are seeing that so many have gone back, they don't know about God. But God is faithful. God remembers the good works that the Norwegian country has done, and He wants to restore them back. So I just ask that we all pray for them, that this word will come to pass, and that their hearts, those ones who have got hard hearts, God will soften those hearts so that they can listen unto God, so that they can know that there is God who lives, so that they can know that there is God who created them. So I just say thank you so much. Thank you for the pastor of this church and all the churches that you have gone wrong and have welcomed us so that we can pray together, have fellowship together, and reach to the call that God has sent us. God bless you.